Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys basically how, what you can do if you want to like blur out something from your video. For instance, you have like a package and there's like your number written on it or something and you just want to hide that. Simply select your video or photo, copy and paste it. And on the second video or photo, go to effects and you're going to add in blur to that. And you can blur it like a lot or just a little bit. Then you're going to go to mask and you're going to select rectangle or anything and you're going to basically just close or like hide whatever you want to hide. For instance, this one, I'm just going to like leave the like name and the rest. And that's pretty much it. You can also feather it out just like a little bit, like maybe 1%. So the edges aren't too sharp. If you want, just make it a little bit bigger and then feather that out. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!